The falcon is a bird that is nicknamed the fastest bird in the world. This bird is one of the most common birds of prey worldwide. They can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Falcon is a bird of prey that hunts bats and other birds. They usually monitor while flying in the sky. When seeing prey, this bird will immediately dive and attack its prey. Falcon can dive towards its prey at a speed of approximately 320 kilometers per hour. Falcons are also nicknamed as wanderers. This is because sometimes the fastest birds migrate long distances. For example, a falcon building a nest in the Arctic tundra may fly more than 24,000 kilometers each year to spend the winter in South America. Falcon has very keen eyesight and can see objects as far as 8 kilometers. Falcons have excellent hunting abilities and are very accurate. They can even hunt their prey in flight. There are more than 40 different types of falcon, living in various regions of the world. The falcon has a connection with history and was used by the ancient Egyptians as a symbol of strength and courage. Falcons make their nests in caves, roofs of buildings, or large rocks and aggressively defend them against predators or enemies. There are several types of falcon, ranging from small falcons such as the kestrel falcon to large falcons such as the peregrine falcon. When they want to aim at their prey, they will fly with very fast maneuvers in the air. Movement is agile and nimble. The unique facts about the Australian falcon are then seen from the level of courage. Even though it has a small body, it doesn't mean it's afraid of bigger animals. The Australian falcon often disturbs the existence of birds that are bigger than it, like eagles and eagles. Falcon breeding season is from August to January. Initially, the birds will make their nests first. Females can release as many as 2 to 3 eggs, will hatch after being incubated for about 35 days.